This is the final video to fix the Windows 7 update error 8024200D. Are you also facing this issue where Windows 7 updates fail to install and keep showing error 8024200D? I was also facing the same problem, and it was really frustrating. Every time I tried to update, the process would stop midway, fail, and I couldn't get the latest updates from my system. I searched online and saw many solutions on YouTube and Facebook, but most of them were too complicated. They involved manually deleting update files, running multiple commands, or editing registry settings that were hard to follow. I wasted a lot of time trying those methods, and many didn't even fix the update error. After experimenting myself, I finally discovered a secret, simple trick that actually works. Using this trick, I was able to make Windows 7 updates install successfully without any errors. You don't need to be a tech expert, and it works every time without causing new problems. My system updated smoothly, and all features started working perfectly. If you want to make a full step-by-step tutorial showing exactly how I do it, comment down below. Follow Rexish because this trick really helped me fix Windows 7 update error 8024200D. And it can help you too.